So let's talk about cue control, how to learn quickly so you could improve your positional play and make your breaks bigger. The question is how to learn cue control quickly, and I will show you a method, what you exactly need to do to understand patterns and build consistent, useful habits. So I have pink, and I want to make position for the red. So I have a straightish pink, and there's two things what matters in cue control. This is your height on the cue, so how high you aim, center, high, low, and the speed you play. So those two things are correlating to each other. So let's say I have an idea, like I say, I'm a beginner player, that to get position over there, I need to aim around the center because, this is how I think. And let's watch the result. I hit to the center, and I play, let's say, from the 10 scale, 5. So the reality shows to me that this is incorrect way. I hit it cannon to the red. So you don't want to change the speed of your play. You just change your height slightly lower and see where the cue is going to go. So I'm going to mark the cue, so you could play always for the consist position, because for the beginner play that's very important. So you could play from the 1 position, yeah? And now I'm going to change my height to number 4. So 5 is center, 4 is below center. And let's watch the result with the same speed. So now I change my position 1 tip away, and I got the position. So I know that from this particular position, of course, it depends on table you play. You play on new cloth, on old cloth. On new cloth, you can aim a bit higher. On old cloth, you can aim a bit lower to get a reaction, but the principle is the same. So let's say I played again wrong. Now I'm going to play low on the cue, so to number 3 area. So center, 4, 3, and watch same speed result. So the cue travels on the good side, but too far away, and the part becomes more difficult. So now I could aim number 3, but I have to play way softer. And watch how the cue is going to go. It's going to be a little bit different. So you see, cue went more straighter back. I have more angle for the red. It's not ideal, but certain times, if you want to get cue going back over there using cushion, you can use it. So the lesson is here. So if you want to understand how the cue is reacting, you need to understand the height and speed impact, and accordingly then adjust it to make position. And that's going to help you quickly learn positional play and improve your game, improve your breaks, improve your wins.